Hey, how you doing? My name, Tommy Marketer, and I'm glad you joined me because you're going to find out how I make everyone else money but you. See this? This is just money, and this is all the money I've made from my clients. But you don't make money. You know why? Because you're stupid. Apparently, because everyone else is making money but you. Anyways, take my course. My course is amazing. You're gonna love it. Oh, this money is getting itchy. It's just like it's got so much of it. It's like now this is only for one day. Imagine what I could make in 1 week. It's nuts. It's nuts. So I'm gonna show you now that you come on. Take my course. Make money on YouTube without making videos, and how to lose everything with my bad online business choices and my bad online business course. Now, what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be doing a lot of this, is I'm actually going to start off, and let me show you. My glasses are so full of money I can't even see right now. Well, first of all, I'm going to actually show you right here how you can go in 30 days from 0 to 0. I guarantee it. Money back guarantee. If you can't go from 0 clients to 0 clients. Not only that, I'm going to actually make your bank account go from just tens of dollars, like $200, and in 30 days, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to make that bank account actually even go less money, like tens of dollars. I guarantee that too. And if I can't guarantee you can lose money, I will pay your full course back. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to send you my free ebook called Digital Marketing, 5 Reasons to Waste Your Money on My Internet Marketing Course. I'm going to send it for free for just $100, and you can get everything in this course of how you can lose money. So stick around. This is going to be just so awesome for me. I mean you. Hi, Greg King here. You know what? It's a little outlandish what you just saw, but you know, I think everyone that's watching this video right now has probably come across some degree of that kind of hype. Now, this video is not about that. This video is you've got your product. You've got your Shopify product, your eBay product, your Amazon product, or your affiliate product, and you're having a heck of a time getting in front of bona fide buyers. That's what this video is about. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the myths of how you can rank number 1, number 2, number 3 on Google, the Google carousel, and also on YouTube without having very many subscribers and virtually no views. And you can stay up there, and you can do it like literally in minutes. Now, with this Paul Murphy's course, which I'm going to share with you at the end of the video, the access to it, he talks about the 24-hour ranking system and the 5-step program. Now, I'm going to touch a little bit on the 24-hour ranking system, and I think he's being a little bit conservative. And why I say that is I've done the ranking in 2 minutes, and I'm going to share it with you a couple of examples about that. Now, let's get right into it and get with one of the fallacies about having all these subscribers. Because what occurs now is that if you want to go on AdSense, the first thing they're going to do, that if you're going to make money and do monetize videos, you're going to have at least 1,000 subscribers, have 400 hours of viewing, and have 30,000 visitors to your channel before you get the first $100. Now, at my age, I mean, I'm going to be hopefully getting my residual checks even when I'm 6 feet under the ground. This is going to take forever to do. And it's you know, a lot of people have done that, but a ton more people, like the other 99% of the people, have not done it. And they just basically blow away and say, you know what, it wasn't for me, or it's a scam, or I'm not into it, or I can't do it, or I'm not good in front of the camera. I mean, these are all myths. This is something I'm going to actually blast through these myths. Now, the first myth, or the second one, or the third one, I guess, is first is having subscribers. You can see I got 16 subscribers with affiliate to success marketing. The second one is needing views, which you don't need to have views. And then the third one is you need to have you need to pay for ads if you want to get on the first page of YouTube, which is actually not true. I'm going to show you right now how you can actually do it in like 2 minutes. And I did this, well, I did this, it was a little under 2 minutes, but they don't do a minute and 35 seconds. You can see right here, I actually ranked #1 on YouTube with no views, 2 minutes and 16 subscribers. And you can see here how I actually went on the first, I was #1 on the billboard or on the carousel here in 2 minutes. Now, since YouTube and Google are owned by the same company, sometimes it takes a little bit for the YouTube video to migrate over to the Google search. And that's why it's showing here 3 minutes. Now, let's face it, when someone looks for something to buy, where's the first place they go? Well, ever since the COVID outbreak, they're not going to the store anymore. They're actually going online. And the #1 search engine in the world is Google. 75% of the people that are willing to buy something, not tire kick, but buy something, go to Google first. Then they look at you and they see you on the front page, chances are, or the first on the front page, they're not going to go to the second and third page. It's well-known fact. If you're on the second page, you might as well be on the last page, because people usually go down the first 5 or 6 and make their decision there. Now, the second thing is, once they make a good example is, if you're going to go to Mexico and go in a hotel and you see, there's my hotel with my face up there, and you think, okay, what's the next thing you do? You go to Google. When you go to Google, what's the first thing you do after Google? You go to YouTube to get a second opinion. And what happens if you're in that second opinion? You're going to like what you see. So a hotel, you want to make sure that it's more than half built. So then you go back up here and you purchase it because you are buying a trip to Mexico. Next one here, you can see here. I mean, I've got a ton of them. And the reason I'm showing my mug face right now is not to show you the egotistical part, but to show you how consistent Paul Murphy's product is. And you could do it all in like literally in 10 minutes or 10 or 12 hours. The first video is going to take a while. The second video will take a little bit. The third, the fourth, the fifth, they get down to where you can make a 5 or 7 minute video in like 20 or 25 minutes. So the 10 videos that will actually get you placement on the first page of YouTube, Google, and the Google carousel can take you like 10 to 12 hours. Or, you know, if you really want to, if you prorate that, that's like that's like a day and a half's worth of work where you're at right now with an 8-hour work schedule. And the return on it is going to be a lot more substantial than the $15 or $35 an hour. Here's another one where the great thing, this is what Paul expresses in the video that, or the training I'm going to be showing with you, is there is an ad, a paid ad here. Once you see a paid ad, it's gold, because if someone's going to pay for a actual search, you know darn well that there's money to be made. Now, with this search, after the paid ad on YouTube, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've put a stranglehold on the first page. Now, I'm going to show you a little deeper into this, and because it doesn't have the same impact when you see these 3 pictures as you will seeing this. Now, I wanted to show the example that when I Googled make money on YouTube without making videos, this is what it looks like on YouTube. And you can see the gold mine is when that Google search has 3 ads in the top, or any ads in the top, you know darn well this search works. And you know, with your business, if you get ads in the top, that's just gravy, because people aren't going to put ads in with Google searches that aren't paying. And you can see here there's 3. Then the first free ad, the second free ad, the third free ad, the fourth and the 5th free ads are all affiliate tube success reviews, which is me. Then the next one, I mean, you can see how I've basically held the first, 2, 4, 6. Now the next one down, you can see it's been around for 5 months. I bumped everyone else in a matter of a couple of days to a couple of weeks. Now what's interesting is this fellow here, he's been very successful. Make Money Matt. I bumped him out, and look how many views he's got. He's got over 500,000 views in 5 months. Here he's got 86,000 views. This one, 7,000 views, almost 9,000 views, 66,000 views. Here's me again, 59 views. Here, 534 views, and you come across here and there's almost 1 million views, and you come to the top. Who's got the top listings? Is me, and that took 20 minutes. And I took this photo 20 minutes ago. It actually only took 3 minutes. I've got 8 views here, 44 views, 42 views, 48 views, 30 views. So you can see with Paul's system how you can rank literally immediately with very few views, and once again with very few subscribers. So these examples, I hope you saw how powerful Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system is, and what it would do and what kind of difference it'd make that if you could actually get onto the first page of YouTube, Google, and the Google carousel, and what that would do to your business if you actually put a stranglehold on the first page. And something that we always joked about when I was in real estate in Vancouver, and that is, what would it be like if we were the only competition that we had against each other? I mean, it would be incredibly powerful. And that's how you can see that if you're the only one that put a stranglehold on the first page of the Google and YouTube, people aren't going to go to the second page. They're just going to say that you're an expert in your niche and in your field. They'll just come and see you. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the steps that when I put the access on the screen and also in the description box for Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system, this is what you're going to come up to. So when you press the link that I provided in this video, you're going to come to a page, and it's going to allow you to enroll into a 90-minute training call with Mike and Paul Murphy. And it's a great value. And what you do is hit the register for this free event, and it could take a moment just to make sure that there's availability. And then all you do is put the date, your time zone, your first name, and your email. Register now, and it's going to enroll you in probably the most effective 90 minutes for your online business that you're going to see to improve your traffic flow and reduce your ad costs. Well, I hope you found this video entertaining, enjoyable, and of value. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to leave a link in the description box and also on the video for access to Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system. Now, in the meantime, please hit the like button, the share button, so you won't miss another video, and also leave a comment below. And hopefully we will see you in the next video. You have yourself a great day.